Right, so this is how these things work. I've got these headphones on because I'm editing a video. Just the video I was editing was the one where I rewrapped some batteries. That is the same day, and I was putting Vincent's mince pie one up. That's just smash it. That mince pie it's took the world by storm. I was having a Guinness. Vincent was telling me he's having a martini. The boy thinking James Bond. He was having a martini. So we're sitting there having a vape, talking about the video. We're amateurs, but we talk. We entertain ourselves. If it gets 10 views, we're still happy because we entertain ourselves with them. But we was talking about it, and he was going. I think he was going on and on about this Malibu. No, not Malibu. Baileys Martini. A few weeks ago, he was going on about this Baileys Martini he had over Christmas. Baileys Martini, geez. Baileys latte. He was going on and on and on about it. I think he got it from Harvest or somewhere like that. If that's not the right shop, I apologise. But he was going on and on and on and on about this Baileys latte. Coffee latte Baileys he got from somewhere. And he said it was the best drink he's had for a long, long time. And I did keep it at the back of my mind, and then we was just talking about random nothing. Probably we weren't plotting our new podcast, but just imagine we was plotting our new podcast. And I said, oh, I've only got a little bit. It's left. There's only a little bit in it. He said he fancied the Baileys. I said, I've only got a little bit left. And he got me thinking about his Baileys coffee latte thing. And I asked him how to make it. And then I thought, oh, I'll do a quick video on that. Just test. I've got these on because I was editing the video. Did I say that? And a perfect position, look, with one little bit of ear out, so I can hear if anything's going on, keeping my surroundings. So if anyone breaks in the house, ninja comes out. Then I thought, our tipple of choice is a cortado. It's the cortado. It's the coffee lover's choice. We've both come to the conclusion that Costa probably make the best one. Anyway, a cortado, we're still not 100% sure it is, but it's, I think it's a double espresso or something like this with some milk. It's something like that in this little tiny shot. So anyway, I'm divulging. I thought I would bung the two together and make the world's first, the first ever seen on TV, a Baileys Cortado. A Baileys Cortado. The things I think of are genius. Vincent don't even know I'm doing this. So let's go. We've got an espresso in there. Espresso of coffee. When Vince told me the recipe, he goes, "Hey, you use a cap. Use a cap for the Baileys. You use any more than a cap, you're on your back." He ain't using a cap. Look at the size of the cap. It's a lick. It's a lick of Bailey. So we will make the Baileys Cortado. First ever. Still a bit of steam coming off that. See the boy? Oh, the boy. There, the boy. Give it a quick stir. The Baileys Cortado. Smells like Baileys. Oh, I'll give you that, Vince. Yeah, that boy. Baileys Cortado. It's alright.